Okay, so now let's go to take a look at functions in Excel. So functions basically are what I like to describe as helpers in Excel, and you're going to see why I call them helpers very soon. Now on your Excel tabs, we have one tab specifically for formulas. So if I go to my formulas tab, you are going to see that we have something called the function library. Now what the function library contains are different names of things you can use to carry out specific tasks automatically, right? Now those names to carry out those tasks are what we refer to as functions. And as you can see, we have different groupings of functions. Okay, you can see we do have AutoSum, which we are going to see shortly. We have our financial functions, we have logical functions, text functions, dates and time, and so on and so forth. So if you click on the drop down for any of these, you are going to see all of those different names that I mentioned, right? So each of these things basically are helpers that you can use to achieve certain things. So when I hover on any one of them, you are going to see a description, right? So like this function accrued, for example, you can see the description that reads, it returns the accrued interest for a security that pays periodic interest, right? Interest, security, that's why you find it as part of the financial functions. If you go to the group of logical functions, you are going to see different functions right there. Let's just check, what does AND do? Checks whether all arguments are true and returns true if all arguments are true, right? Now, sometimes these descriptions can be more confusing than when you don't even look at it at all. And that's why we're going to have to start very simple, and we'll take a look at some aggregator functions that we have in Excel first, and you are going to see how to write Excel formulas using functions.